Right, look how close we are to this thing then. So these are all of the bits we got left to put on. I've just given them a bit of a wash off. There's a load of rust on the seat. I haven't managed to get it all off, but it's pretty good. And we'll see what it looks like when it dries. We might have another go at it in a little while. So yeah, look. She's so nearly there. Okay, so check out the chopper. Check it out then. Fantabulous. Look at this. Look at this. Now, you know what I mean? As I always say this, remember this is a comparison to what we started. Okay, but check her out. She's looking fabulous compared to what she did look like. And yeah, note to self here, and there's a lesson to be learned. Before you take the carburetors off for the third time to clean them out, it's probably worth chucking a set of spark plugs in it just to be on the safe side. Okay, so I had a problem with one of the spark plugs in the front there, so I put a pair of spark plugs in it, which have got to come off the budget, but they were the only ones they had down the road in the shop, and they were lawnmower ones which were the same. So it does sound like a bit like a lawnmower, as one of my mates has already told me. Anyway, she's as good as done. I've ridden it. I've done a couple of miles on it just to see, and she rides sweet, to be fair. She pulls really nicely. Backfires every now and then. But I think it might just need running, and I have put some fresh fuel in it. So yeah, I reckon our last video that we're going to do is when I've finally got an MOT on it and we can go for a spin. So we'll do a little cruising video down the road on it as a final video. But to all intents and purposes, she's finished. Now, she's not quite finished. I've still got an engine cover there. I've got to change one of these fuel pipes. I've got some somewhere, but I can't seem to find it at the minute. Although I haven't looked that very hard for it, to be fair. So I've just got to extend one of the fuel pipes on there. And the other thing I'm not sure about, I've got to figure out how to test this, is the reserve. So I don't know how it works. I haven't looked at how it works, and I don't know if it works on this, because the last thing I want to do is find out the hard way that the reserve isn't working. So I am going to have a look at that as well. But there we go. That's it. I think, like I say, our last video in this will be a cruise down the road, but that'll be once we get it MOT'd, and that might not be for a little while yet. So yeah, fabulous. Well done if you stayed all of the way through. Although, like I say, there will be one more. And I'm just going to cruise around on it a little while, for a while anyway, and see how I get on with it. On the days that I don't want to take the BMW out and I want something a little bit more comfortable, or a little less noticeable, then we'll take this bad boy out instead. Or if I've ever got to take someone out on the back. Yes! Chopper living. Hey? Fantastic. Okay. Oh no, hold on, let's start her up. Sorry, I was just about to go then. Fabulous, fabulous. And then we're going to get it MOT'd. Okay, I'll speak to you again soon. See you soon. Bye bye.